Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to create this product, set up the lighting, texturing and rendering. Okay, let's start it. First, open up your Blender, new file, general, press A to select everything, X to delete, go to the front view, press Shift A and a mesh. We need a cylinder, press GZ to move up your cylinder on the Z axis, move it up here, tap to the edit mode, press Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Select all of this edge, press GZ, move it way up here, just like this, and select all of this bottom edge, press Ctrl V to bevel it, increase the segment, just like this, and select this edge, press I to insert like this, just like this, press E again, Z, extrude it on the Z axis, press A to select everything, press Shift D to duplicate it, S to scale it just a little bit, scale it like this, and select all of this edge at the inside, press GZ, move it up a little bit, like this, press Alt and click over here to select all of this edge, click here, snap width, change it to the vertices, press G, Z, hold Control and snap to these vertices, just click over here, go to the top view, press 3 on your keyboard to change it to the face mode, select this face, press X, delete the face, just 1, 2, delete the face, press 2 on your keyboard, change it to the edge mode, select this edge and this edge, press F to fill, and click this edge again, just hold F to fill everything, just like this. Alt Z to see the X-ray view, select all of this edge, press GZ, move it down here, and tap to the object mode, and press Shift A, mesh, add a circle, press GZ, move your circle up here, just like this, tap to the edit mode, press S to scale it, just like this, press E again to extrude, Z on the Z axis, just like this, press E again to extrude, S to scale it inside like this, go to the front view, press E again, Z, extrude on the Z axis, extrude it up here, press E again to extrude, S to scale it, just a little bit like this, press E, extrude, Z, extrude on the Z axis, extrude it down here just a little bit, and press E again, S to scale it, just like this, go to the front view, press E again to extrude, Z, extrude on the Z axis, and press F to fill, press Ctrl B to bevel it, just like this, go to the select, sharp edge, Ctrl B to bevel, next is press Shift A, mesh at a circle, change the vertices to the 16, it's R to rotate it, X, rotate it 90 degrees, press GZ, move it up here, just like this, press Shift Z, Alt Z, S to scale it again, scale it like this, press G, Z, just move like over here, and press Shift Z, go to the top view, press GY, move your circle in the front over here, just like this, and select this object, tap to the edit mode, click the circle, go to the mesh, knife project. Now it will create the new mesh, like this over here, just press I to insert like this, and X, delete the face, just like this, and click this edge, go to the right view, press E to extrude on the Y axis, just like this, GY on the Y axis again, press S, Y 0, press E again to extrude it like this, select this edge, press Ctrl V, bevel it, and over here we need to rotate it a little bit like this, just to scale it, yep, tap to the object mode. For the circle, we're going to use it for the other, press Alt R, reset the rotation, Tap to the edit mode. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. S to scale it. Just scale it like this. Go to the object mode. Press GZ. Move your circle down here. Tap to the edit mode. S to scale it again. Press E, Z, extrude on the Z axis like this. Press E again, extrude on the Z axis. S to scale it. Just like this. Select this edge, Ctrl B, bevel it. Select this edge again. Shift D to duplicate it. P, selection, tap to the object mode. Select the circle, tap to the edit mode again. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Press A to select everything. S to scale it a little bit. Press E, Z, extrude on the Z axis. Just way down here, just like this. Now back to the object mode. Select these two objects. We need to adjust it on the panel. Just like this. We're gonna make this bottle a little bit transparent so you can see inside the bottle. Tap to the edit mode. We need to modeling the liquid. Press Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Press 3 on your keyboard to change it to the face mode. You need to select this face and press Alt Ctrl and plus on your numpad. So it will do the same like select, morph and morph. Just like that. Select, morph and morph. You can just hold Ctrl and plus on your keyboard. Yep. Till you reach over here. Shift D to duplicate it. Press P, selection. Tap to the object mode. Name this one liquid. Select your liquid. Tap to the edit mode. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Just select this edge. Press GZ. Move it down just a little bit like this. And press F to fill. Ctrl B. Bevel just a little bit. Okay. Select this bottle. We forgot something. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Select this edge and this edge. Yep, these two edge. Ctrl B, bevel it. Just like this. And press 2 on your keyboard. Change it to the F. Change it to the edge mode. Go to select, sharp edge. Ctrl B, bevel it. Just like this. Shade, right click, shade smooth. Right click, shade smooth. Okay, I guess we are done with the model. Let's move to the texturing. Go to the shading tab. Add the render property. Change your render engine to cycle. I'm only using CPU. If you have a GPU, just use your GPU. Color management. Change it to the filmic. And this one high contrast. Change it to the render view. And click over here. Uncheck this skin like and this scene work. Next over here, just new material. Name it bottle. Turn down the roughness. And transmission, increase the transmission. Just like this. Change the color, make it full white. The roughness, just make it 0.01. Over here, new material. It will be, just make it black like this. And turn down the roughness. Just name it cup. Liquid over here. New material. Turn down the roughness. Just make 0. Change this to 1.33. And change the color like a little bit yellow. Transmission. Increase the transmission. And for this one, new material. Just turn down the roughness like 0.15. Press slash on your keyboard. Increase the transmission. Just like this. And right click. Auto smooth. Okay, press slash again. For the last part, this one, just make it white and just turn down the roughness. I guess we need to right click and shade smooth. I guess we need to do the label. Let's go to the layout. Select over here. Tap to the edit mode. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Press 3 on your keyboard. Go to the face mode. Select all of this face. Shift D to duplicate it. Tap to the object mode. Name this one labels. Just go to the canva.com. Create new design. Just customize the size. Maybe like this. After you over here, just text, add a heading text, just name anything you want. You can customize anything you like over here. Just customize the label like anything you want and go to share, download, and download. After you download it, go to the remove.bg, upload the image, upload your label, and download the label. Back to our Blender file, select your label over here and tap to the edit mode. Go to the back view, click over here, select this edge, press U, mark seam. Go to the shading tab and go to the edit, preference, install the node wrangle, install this node, save your preference, and at the bottom over here, click here, new material, name it label, add your principal BSDF, press Ctrl T, open image, you're on your image texture, find your label, click your label, change the repeat to the clip, connect alpha to alpha, then over here change it to UV editor, press A to select everything, over here press A to select everything, press S, Y, scale it on the Y axis. After you found the good proportion for your label, let's back to the layout over here. Let's create the environment. Before that, press Shift A, empty, add a plane axis. As to scale it, just like this. Press A to select everything. Make sure the last part you select is the empty. Press Ctrl T, object transform. So if we move this empty, it will move everything. Next, press Shift A, mesh, add a plane. As to scale it like this. Press Shift A again, add a cylinder. As to scale it, Shift Z, scale it without the Z axis, just like this. And as Z, we need to scale it down on the Z axis. And just like this. Go over here, snap width, change it to the face. Press G, Z, move it up like this and hold Ctrl. Snap to this face. Click on your empty, press G, move it up. On the Z axis, hold Ctrl and snap this to this face. Just like this. Over here, tap to the edit mode. Select this edge. We need to bevel it just a little bit. Okay, right click, out of smooth. Go to the front view. Press Shift A, mesh, add circle. Press RX 90 degree. Press GZ, move your silver up here. Tap to the edit mode as to scale it, just like this. Move it down a little bit. Okay, press 1 on your keyboard. E to extrude, S to scale it again. Extrude it inside like this. Okay, and select all of these vertices. Press X, delete the vertices. Select these vertices again. Press E, Z. Extrude on the Z axis like this. Select this edge without these vertices. Press E to extrude. Extrude on the Z axis like this. Press S, Z, 0. And select this edge over here. Press E to extrude. Extrude on the X axis. Select this. Do the same over here. Select this edge. Press E, extrude. X, extrude on the X axis over here. And this edge, G, Z, move it up like this. Press A to select everything. Press E. Extrude like this. Go to the edge mode by pressing 2 on your keyboard. Go to the select, sharp edge. Press N on your keyboard. Over here, main bevel weight, change it to the 1. Add a modifier. We need a bevel modifier. Change the angle to the weight. Make it 3 segment and over here, 0.003. We need another modifier, subdivision modifier. Increase the level. Tap to the object mode. Right click, shade smooth. Then we need another. Press Shift A, mesh, add a plane, RX 90 degree, GY, and get the front view as to scale it. Just like this. Yep, just like this. Go to the front view, press Shift A, add a camera. We need a new window, just expand over here. Change it to the view camera, and at the output property, change the resolution to 1440 and 1920. Go to the right view, G, Y, move your camera over here, GZ, move your camera up, just like this, and select this empty. Go to the top view, press R to rotate it, like this, press T, and turn off this one and this one, expand this bottom, scale this up, click here, viewport shading, Uncheck this light and skin world. Change this one to the shader editor. We need to add a material for the environment. Maybe something wrong over here. We need the label face on the front. Just click the empty. Press Alt R to reset the rotation. Just click this object. Go to the top view and rotate this object. Just like this. Okay, select this one. At the bottom, this new material. Turn down the roughness. Just like this. And at the back over here, new material. Just make it a little bit yellow, I guess. Just like this, and move this on the y-axis. Move over here. We need to move this object GY here. We need to bright yellow. Just like this. I guess we need to do something at the bottle material. We need to add something at the bottle material. Just click over here, select your bottle, press Shift A, search for gradient texture, and Shift A, color ramp, connect color to vector, and color to color. Over here, at your gradient texture, press Ctrl T. Just change this one to the material preview. Press slash on your keyboard. As you can see, if we move the color over here to the black, it will create the gradient, but we want it from the bottom to the top. Just press Shift and Ctrl, click on your color ramp, so you can see the gradient over here. Just go over here at the rotation, change it to 90 degrees, like this, and change the color over here, make it yellow. Make it a little bit yellow, just like this, and click on the press fill BSTF, Ctrl Shift. We need to color a little bit orange, and you will have the result like this. It will looks like have a little bit gradient yellow and transparent over here, just like this. Press slash again on your keyboard and change this to the viewport shading again. Over here, press Ctrl B. Just select the camera view. Click here. Next, we need to do the light. Click here. Scene light, scene world. Okay, before we go to the lighting setup, I guess we make a mistake at the label. Go over here at your label and turn down the weight. And for the lighting setup, we're just gonna use HDRI. Just go to the polyheaven, go to the asset, HDRI, and at the polyheaven, just type here bathroom. Click, select this one, download it. After you download it, back to our blender, and over here change it to the world. Click your background over here, press Ctrl T, open, spawn your HDRI, you just download it like this. Okay, and press Shift A, real light, press RX 90 degree, press GY, move it on the Y axis over here. In data property, increase the size and change the power maybe 5000, just like this, and press GX to move your light on the X axis, just like this. Okay, Ctrl S to save your project. Go to the right view, press GZ, move your area light up here, and press R to rotate it. Change your pivot point to 3D cursor. Press R, rotate it, just like this. Okay. Render it. Okay, you're gonna have something similar render like this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.